I'm not much on making videos, but here we go. This is a 2005 Chevrolet Suburban. You see I got it Raptor line, but I have 2020 wheels on it off of Silverado. But the purpose of this video is my fuel trap door and how I did my fuel trap door when I changed my fuel pump. I went on YouTube, of course, and saw several videos that were pretty good, about how to do it, how to cut the hole and all that. So that's exactly what I did. I cut the hole just like, I can't remember the man's name or the channel name, but he told you exactly where to cut it, 5 inches, from these studs here. And so that's what I did, and was able to cut it back just a little bit, back to here where you could fold it back. But what I did when I replaced it, I cut some steel from an old framing square that I had to replace these ribs down here, because this is really bouncy. I mean, there won't nothing going to hold this. My original thought was just kind of seal it in with some silicone and gorilla tape it, is what I was going to do. But got to thinking about it, I said I want some more structure up under there. So what I did is just cut some little ribs off of just an old framing square that I had laying around. Just a piece of it right there, just with that angle grinder. And got some really good screws from a buddy of mine that works at a machine shop. Little self-tappers. But the metal is kind of thin, and I did have to kind of pre-drill it a little bit first, or pre-screw it with that before I actually installed the screws, but everything worked out pretty good. And that is plenty of structure right there. I'm not worried about it at all, especially once I get the seat set back. There's frame around the seat. I mean, structure's not going anywhere. But what I'm getting ready to do is fill this in with silicone, and maybe that's it. I don't know. I may get some seam sealer, see if a buddy of mine's got some leftover seam sealer, and do that instead of silicone, but I don't know. I'm gonna see what I got first. But anyway, that is my fuel trap door on my 2005 Chevy Suburban. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. Thanks.